This is an old Craftsman Socket Wrench set from the early 2000s, I think. And a long time ago, both brackets broke off. Right here at the bottom. And I don't even remember what it looked like exactly. Ever since then, I've just been holding it really tight whenever I carry it somewhere. But if someone else picks it up, and it inevitably falls all over the place. Now, I recently started working on 3D printing a new clasp. And this is one of the first versions of this. It's not great. I can't really get my finger under there very well. It won't shut on its own, so you have to bend it out to shut it, and then you have to push it in, but it kind of works. It also wasn't a perfect design because I had to just jam it in there and cut some off, and it ended up bending it. So that got bent down. And it's printed in Pat G. I don't know how many times it will be able to bend back and forth, but it also printed with a lot of bridging, even under here, because this sticks down so low that even this needed bridging. Now, I've done another one where I printed it on its side, so it needed very little bridging, just a little bit coming up here and here and here. So I didn't even know that it would be possible to fix this, because I thought this was all one solid piece, but it actually rotates out like that, and there's just a bar there that snaps in there and rotates around. So let me try this new design. The top part here is unchanged. Okay, so that went on. I'm hoping that when I shut it, well, if it's bent out a little bit, maybe when I shut it, maybe it can shut on its own. Okay, push it in. Okay. Oh, and I have plenty of room to get my finger under now. Okay. Well, it's not pretty, and it's not perfect, but I think I'm going to stick with that. So I'm going to go and just show you the design file for this now. So here's the design. One of the main improvements I made was this little divot here so that my finger can get back behind it to pull it back. Well, it turns out when you print it sideways like this, and the layer lines are going this direction, it actually made it really easy for this to just break right along the layer lines. And I probably could have increased the infill, because it's not very much infill, as you can see. But instead, what I'm trying is printing it like this. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I thought, terrible idea. That broke right off. I was thinking, oh, and there's a lot of support there that's hard to get off. Well, my idea here was that instead of printing it like this, there might be less supports. And yeah, there's less supports here. I don't know why that is so thin. Wow, for some reason that printed way too thin at that angle. It's like twice as thin as it should be. I printed it in a horizontal orientation this time. So hopefully it won't break. Right. Okay. All right, I think that's pretty great. I like it.